Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I will be talking about some of the many different ways that you or anyone can make money in the crypto market without having to do any kind of trading whatsoever, all right? Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and try out the MEXC crypto exchange. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. I personally love this exchange because I'm a huge altcoin nerd and they've got all kinds of different altcoins for me to trade. In addition, they also allow you to trade futures and they do not deal with all the drama that Coinbase and Binance and all the other mainstream exchanges, deal with on a regular basis. So it's kind of nice because there's a lot of quietness behind MEXC. So it's kind of nice. All right. So here's the thing, you guys. All right. Here it goes without saying that crypto is an extremely lucrative asset. All right. We already know this. All right. It is an extremely lucrative asset class that has literally been minting new millionaires on a yearly basis ever since Bitcoin was launched. All right. In fact, when various altcoins make massive price jumps of like 100x or more, it's no wonder why more and more retail investors would want to take their chances on making it rich, especially if they can in the crypto market. However, you guys, in reality, these types of opportunities are honestly few and far between, to be honest with you, especially these days. In addition, only a handful of traders actually manage to get in on these lucrative 100x opportunities. However, there are many other ways that retail investors can make some darn good money in the crypto market without even having to trade. All right. So I'm going to share with you a few of those options with you today. All right. So the very first thing that you can do instead of trading would be to stake your altcoins. Okay. Now, here's the cool thing about staking. All right. For those of you who aren't familiar with staking, it's pretty much, it's pretty much how it works is you pretty much lock up your tokens onto various protocols as collateral for transaction validation, and you earn rewards for it. That's pretty much the grand scheme of how it works, all right? And to be honest, it's probably one of the easiest ways to make money in crypto, at least in my personal opinion, okay? So let me show you some of these platforms that I personally use. There's a lot of platforms out there, there's a lot of different websites you can go to. There's a lot of different platforms you can use to stake your cryptocurrency. But these are my personal favorites just because I like ease of use and they're very easy to use, okay? First of all, you can go to stakingrewards.com and you can find all of the different types of assets, especially the top 10 assets right here by staking market cap. You can see how many coins in each, for each coin are being staked at the current moment, their staking ratios, their current reward rates, all kinds of good analytics on this stuff. So it's pretty interesting to see. All right. But the main places that I personally like to stake my crypto would be the Exodus wallet. Now, all of these that I'm about to show you, these are all wallets that are non-custodial, okay? So they are safe to keep your cryptocurrency on, okay? They are not centralized. There is no centralized entity that owns your keys or anything like that. These are all non-custodial wallets where you and you alone own your coins, okay? And you are the only one that has access to your coins, okay? So the first one would be the Exodus wallet, all right? This is one of my personal favorites. So you don't really have very many coins that you can actually stake, but let me get to it real quick here. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see here. So how do you actually get there? I don't even remember. See, I don't have it on my actual computer here. I have it on my phone. So here we go. Let's see, there's all kinds of different, is it here? No, it's not here. Here? Man, this website is kind of, all right, well, apparently, there's no place where they can easily, there's no place on their website where they usually show you, which coins that they support for staking. I kind of wish they did because that's kind of a key feature, I guess you could say. So I'm pretty surprised that they don't have it on here. But as you guys can clearly see, you can stake coins like Tezos, Cosmos, VeChain. I know for a fact you can also stake your Algorand. You can also stake ONT or ontology tokens. I know you can also stake, what else you can stake? Solana, you can also stake Cardano. And there's a few others on there as well, but I do know that there's not very many. But I personally in my personal, my personal opinion, the only reason I use Exodus is I love to stake my Cosmos Atom tokens on there because you're literally earning over 18% staking your Cosmos Atom tokens on there. So it's pretty darn nice, all right? Another one that is pretty popular is Kepler Wallet, okay? This one's actually pretty in-depth. A lot of people love Kepler, and it is an awesome, awesome non-custodial wallet to be able to store your crypto and earn staking rewards as well. And it's very, very, very in-depth. I would definitely recommend you checking this one out as well. But as you guys can clearly see, they have all kinds of different coins that you can stake on here as well. Let me see if they have an easy, they have an easy way to see which coins. See, they don't even have an easy way to just show which coins you can easily stake. Let me see if there's anything in here. Man, yeah, this is annoying. I wish these websites would just be straight up and open. I mean, you can't even, on their main website here, they show 3 coins on here. Awesome. They have a lot more coins that you can stake. I know that for 100% fact. I wish they would just show it on their main website. It would be very easy for most people. But anyway, regardless, Kepler is another place where you can easily stake your coins. Atomic Wallet is another one. Atomic Wallet, again, this one has a lot of coins that you can also stake. As you guys can clearly see, this is nice. This is what I like to see. Atomic Wallet did it very good. You can see right on their main page of their website, you can see all the coins that they have available for people to stake. This is very good user experience. I really like this. So it's nice to see that you can earn some pretty darn good rewards on many different coins here on the Atomic Wallet. All right. So as far as staking is concerned, if this is your first time learning about staking, there's literally a ton of different platforms where you can earn rewards from staking various coins. All right. But my personal favorites, as I was saying, are right here, as I just showed you guys, all right? In addition, you can also stake coins on various centralized exchanges as well. So I will say this, but I personally do not recommend this simply because it's not really safe to hold your cryptos on a centralized exchange unless you're actively trading the market, which is why I have suggested here non-custodial options, all right? Now, the second thing that you can do to make money in the crypto market without staking, or without, sorry, I'm losing my words today. I don't know what's going on today. Maybe it's because I'm getting over my sickness here from Christmas. I don't know. But the next thing that you guys can do to earn money without trading would be to lend your crypto, okay? You can lend your crypto for low risk yields, okay? Now, it's pretty interesting, to be brutally honest with you. But you see, decentralized finance has been growing in popularity quite a bit lately, especially with all of these centralized crypto platforms going bankrupt and doing sketchy shit on a regular basis, to be brutally honest with you. So it's no wonder why the DeFi sector would see an influx in user growth. So if you're not familiar with crypto lending, it's basically where users pretty much deposit their cryptocurrencies to various lending protocols in exchange for rewards in the underlying tokens or in different crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others as well. Now, as far as which platforms you should be using to lend crypto, well, just like staking, there's a whole bunch of various different platforms that you can use. But some of my personal favorite platforms include Aave, which is obviously right here. And then you've got Curve Finance, and then you've also got Compound as well. Compound is actually very, very popular. Curve is also, these are all very popular. I don't know what I'm talking about. But overall here, you guys, lending offers a low-risk way for people to earn a very decent yield. And the best part is retail investors can take advantage of this method in both bull and bear markets. So that is very, very nice as well. All right. So we've got crypto staking and we've got crypto lending so far. All right. So next up, another way that you can earn crypto without trading is also going to be yield farming. Okay. So you can earn with yield farming, and for those of you who aren't familiar with it, it's basically a concept of putting your cryptos to work in a way that generates the highest yield possible with, while minimizing your overall risk. And what's great about yield farming is, as new platforms and protocols emerge, they typically offer very high incentives, to investors as a way of mining for liquidity and increasing the total value locked on the protocol as a whole. All right. Now, for long-term investors who hold a portfolio that's filled with all kinds of different tokens, yield farming is a way to gain exposure to these new projects and obtain, new tokens without even having to, use more of your real fiat money to buy these tokens that you're earning. So it's kind of nice, to be brutally honest with you. Now, as far as the best platforms, for yield farming are concerned, there's literally dozens of platforms, as I was saying, and I'll show you that in a couple minutes here. But my personal favorites are going to be obviously Uniswap. Most people love Uniswap. A lot of people love Uniswap. It's extremely, extremely popular. And another one of my favorites, all-time favorites actually, would probably be PancakeSwap. All right, I use PancakeSwap a lot. It's actually one of my personal favorites. I absolutely love it. It's very, very, very self-explanatory and simple to use as well. All right. In addition to that, if you go to CoinMarketCap and you filter by, you click on categories here, and you click on name here, and click it again, and then click on yield farming right here, it'll come up with all of the different places where you can, do yield farming. So it's pretty nice, honestly. All right. Now, that is yield farming, you guys. All right. So now now here's the thing. All right. The last way that you can earn crypto without having to trade would be with NFTs and blockchain gaming. That's if you're into gaming anyway, all right? But really though, blockchain gaming and NFT collecting has honestly grown pretty immensely in the past couple of years. And it has some very major potential to grow much more, on a long-term scale as well. For example, there is a blockchain game called Axie Infinity, all right? There's a blockchain game called Axie Infinity right here, and it's literally one of the most popular examples at the time of me filming this video right now. And the in-game play pretty much involves, trading, battling, collecting, and breeding NFT-based creatures that are called Axies, okay? Now, what's cool about this is you generate rewards from this game in the form of Smooth Love Potion, okay, or SLP tokens, all right, which is pretty much an in-game token that is used in the Axies breeding process, and also also trades on major crypto exchanges as well. So you'll be rest assured knowing that you'll be able to swap your SLP reward tokens for dollar-based stablecoins or other cryptos as well. So you won't be stuck with these SLP tokens. You'll be able to exchange them for dollars anytime that you want on the exchange. All right. Another cool aspect of games like this and games like this is that you can literally turn around and sell your Axies as well. Which is why many people love blockchain games like this, because it literally, guys, it literally gives you the ability to make passive income just from playing a damn game, which is awesome. Just like CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is pretty much the same, and there are all kinds of, just like I did with the yield farming thing. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you click on categories and you click on name, and to put it in alphabetical order. And if you scroll all the way down to play to earn, let's go to play to earn. If you go to play to earn, you can come across all kinds of different games, all kinds of different places that have games where, they're play to earn, pretty much play to earn games or play to earn platforms where they offer, a lot of them have games and stuff like that offer the same type of, in-game mechanics to where you'll be able to earn crypto just for playing the game. So it's pretty nice. But overall here, you guys, crypto investing, lending, staking, and blockchain games, they provide a much higher return on investment than any traditional bank offer on savings or checking accounts. And as the blockchain space grows, you guys, it's highly likely that investors will continue to flock to platforms, that offer high yields for engaging with the protocol, to be honest with you. What's not to lose for them, right? So, but overall here, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the comment section down below of my future videos.